Hello again. This is the sensory area or center that I have set up for the children. I'm gonna use math and also counting with that center with so the children can explore with different math. So I have a couple of several cups over here. Actually, I labeled them from 0 to 10. So ideally, I'm gonna have two children here playing. They're gonna count the lima beans over here, dry lima beans, and they're gonna pick them up with this over here and put them in this. So this is a number 2 on that cup. So they're gonna try pick up 2 of the lima beans. Again, this is a good tool to use for fine motor skills. It will help them a lot. So the next one is 6. So over here it says 6. So we're gonna put 6 lima beans in there. It's not a race, it's not a competition, but it will help them learn counting numbers. So I have this here so they can count how many lima beans they're gonna put in there, and then we'll review them later, walk around and make sure that they're doing what they're supposed to do. So this is that for the math, is just counting the lima beans and pick them up with the tweezer, and that way they can put them in that bin again. So once they finish, if you have 2, you just split the cups in 2 groups or 3 groups, however you want to do it. It's a lot of them here, and then they could put everything they need to put in there for the activity. So again, this is lima beans in there. And then the other sensory activity that I have is the rice, where they're gonna use the cup. I don't have a lot of rice because I don't want to waste food. So we're just gonna measure a little bit of rice that we have in there. We're gonna take this out, and then we measure the rice, how much rice we have. After we finish measuring, we just put them in there, and then they can mix it if they like, but ideally for them to just measure, learn how to measure, and then they just put them in the cup over here, just like you were cooking. You're just measuring everything that you need to measure. As you can see, this is the rice. Again, I didn't put a lot of rice because I don't want to waste food, and it's not cool to waste food. I don't like that. So that's all I have for the sensory, because that's what they asked to do, because we are cooking. So we're going to be measuring a lot of food before we select what we're going to be cooking for the next I guess 3 weeks from now. What we're going to be cooking as a big finale for closing out the kitchen and cooking.